In continuation of our lectures from the photochemistry, we are dealing with the part of the photosensitization. What is mean by photosensitizer? Photosensitizer, and the next concept having the photosensitization. Photosensitizer and photosensitization. First of all, if we are having this is the molecules 1, 3 butadienes and this is what a carbonyl compound. ये हमारे पास दो एग्जाम्पल है, दो मॉलिक्यूल्स है. द इफ वी आर द सिंगलेट एंड ट्रिपलेट, both molecules which are having the singlet one and the triplet one. So this, if you can consider triplet and this singlet, this one is order one of the singlet and another is order triplet molecule. So actually the part of energy gap between the singlet and triplet of butadiene is what 64.5 kilojoule. So this is the energy gap, kilocalorie per mole. So the distance between the singlet and triplet of carbonyl compound, this is what 5 kilocalorie per mole. So this is the distance between the singlet and triplet of 1, 3 butadiene and carbonyl compound. What happened due to this? The distance between the gap of the distance between the singlet and triplet is less in carbonyl compound than the 1, 3 butadiene. So the concept is depend upon based on sensitizer and sensitization. Actually, what is the photosensitization? If we are dealing the reactions, this is the 1, 3 butadienes which are irradiation of the sunlight and it goes to the what singlet state. So this is goes to the formation of the singlet one. But whenever these types of the molecule is not goes to in the triplet state, this is not goes to what a triplet state. Why? Because of the energy gap between the singlet and triplet is larger. For example, if we are take these types of the compound, the first one carbonyl compound, which is incident of the sunlight and formation of what a singlet state, it goes to the singlet one, it goes to what singlet one, and this afterward it is goes to the formation of what triplet molecules. So this goes to the formation of the triplet, but 1, 3 butadiene is not goes to the triplet. This is what carbonyl compound is goes to what a triplet state. Why? Because of the energy gap between the singlet and triplet of carbonyl compound is less than what energy gap of singlet and triplet of butadiene. Okay, तो इसका एनर्जी गैप कितना होता है? कम होता है 1, 3 butadiene से. So this 1, 3 butadiene is actually itself not goes to the triplet state, but we want to what? We want to it goes to triplet state. तो इस 1, 3 butadiene को हमको क्या करना है? ट्रिपलेट स्टेट में ये करना है. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? सो दिस 1, 3 butadiene it is treated with what? 1, 3 butadiene it is treated with what? Again carbonyl compound. So first of all, the molecules 1, 3 butadiene it is treated with what? A triplet state of carbonyl compound. This is the triplet state. As you can say, this is the triplet state, is here triplet one. What happened? These molecules which are having the more energy and it gives energy to the 1, 3 butadiene and it convert into this 1, 3 butadiene. Now it convert in what a triplet state. Now it convert in triplet state and this become to what a again the ground state. अब ये जाएगा हमारा ग्राउंड स्टेट में. So actually what happened? These two molecules which are having the ground state molecules, after incident of the radiation, this carbonyl compound goes to singlet to triplet, and here what happened? We are doing this, the triplet molecule is react with the ground state molecule of the 1, 3 butadiene. this molecule gives energy to the 1,3-butadiene and it convert into the triplet. मतलब इसने इस एग्जाम्पल को इस कंपाउंड को ट्रिपलेट में मतलब एनर्जी डोनेट करके उसको ट्रिपलेट बनाया और खुद ग्राउंड स्टेट में आया. सो दिस मॉलिक्यूल, सो विच मॉलिक्यूल, दिस कार्बोनिल मॉलिक्यूल्स विच आर हैविंग द फोटोसेंसिटाइजर. तो यहां पे ये कार्बोनिल कौन हुआ, फोटोसेंसिटाइजर हुआ. एंड दिस ओवरऑल प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज फोटोसेंसिटाइजेशन. इस प्रोसेस को फोटोसेंसिटाइजेशन प्रोसेस कहते हैं.